Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel SKV Tutorial for Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly shut down Windows 11 PC with keyboard shortcut. If you want to shut down your Windows 11 PC quickly, you can do it using just your keyboard. By pressing quick key combination like Alt plus F4 key can efficiently power down the system. It's an easy way to shut down laptop with keyboard shortcut. That is what we are going to do. So watch the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's start. To do that, make sure that you do not have any application open your desktop. Okay, then press and hold the Alt key on the keyboard. While holding Alt key, press the F4 key. Then you should see a shutdown dialog will appear on the desktop. If shutdown option not there, make sure that you select the shutdown option from the drop down menu. On the keyboard, you can use the arrow key to select the shutdown option. Select the shutdown option from the drop down menu. Once done, press enter key to shut down your computer. Then instantly your computer will shut down gracefully. That's all.
I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching and supporting. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Your contribution is more confidence to us. If you have any issues, so please let me know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more useful videos. Once again, thanks for watching and supporting. See you in next video. Bye. Take care.